So now that I've got everything set up, I go to my domain name /wp-admin/install.php, and you can tell that everything's set up properly because it's asking me for information to install WordPress. And I'm going to, my blog title is going to be Baltimore Lawyers, and I'm just going to put in my email address here, and I want my blog to appear, of course. So there you go, there's my username and password, and that'll ask me to log in. Oopsies. And there I go. Now I'm logged in. Now the first thing I'm going to do is go to users and add a new user and delete the one that you just saw the name and password for, because I know some of you slick people are going to try and log in to Baltimore-lawyers.org with my admin account. Not happening. But we're in, so now it's time to get rolling. Alright, now we got WordPress ready to go. We're going to change a few things. We're going to go into the appearance and apply this new theme. Go into the plugins, activate all-in-one SEO plugin, activate WFReview, and we're going to change the settings and change the permalinks to make them post name. And that'll make the name of each business or lawyer's office the exact URL, baltimore-lawyers.org/ and then the post name. So copy all that information to from the bottom, and then I just like to, let's see, go into your FTP, and I have to reconnect here. And I usually take the license from the from WordPress and just copy over that, paste what was in that file, save, overwrite it, and then rename it, just because I'm lazy. Rename it htaccess, and now we should be good. We should be good there. So now is the real trick part, and this is made possible mostly all by WFReview. So what we're gonna do is go back to the Yellow Pages section where our attorneys were listed, and it has to be an URL like this. It can't be a search URL. It has to be a location and then the category name. We're gonna copy it. We're going to go to a Yellow Page scraper, and I've got one you all can utilize as a resource, and there are other places you can get them. There are places you can buy them. On Wickedfire, I'm sure you can buy them. And we don't want to scrape URLs. We don't want to include toll-free numbers, and we want to save this as a CSV. What this is going to do is systematically go through all those thousands and thousands of lawyers. And it's going to save it in a company name, and then address, city, state, zip, stuff like that. Save it in that format to a CSV that we can then upload to our WordPress database and create posts out of those. So we'll have almost 4,000 posts that are lawyer names, and this should pop up with a dialog box in a second asking us to save. We'll save it to our local computer, and then I'll show you how to use WFReview to import them.